The telescope, one of the most important tools in the field of astronomy, has allowed humanity to delve more deeply into the mysteries of the universe. Its history, full of innovations and discoveries, spans centuries, and its development has had a profound impact on our perception of space.
The first telescope was invented in the early 17th century in the Netherlands. Its creator was Hans Lippershey, although some sources also attribute this discovery to other craftsmen of the time. The first telescope was simple and consisted of an objective lens and an eyepiece. In 1609, Galileo Galilei introduced significant improvements to the telescope, which enabled him to observe lunar craters, the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, and sunspots.
Evolution and development occurred in the 17th and 18th centuries. Telescopes invented by Isaac Newton became popular due to their simplicity and effectiveness. They used mirrors instead of objective lenses, eliminating many issues related to chromatic aberration that occurred in refractive telescopes. In subsequent centuries, technological advances allowed for the production of larger and more precise telescopes. The most important among them was Lord Rosse's telescope, built in 1845, which enabled the observation of spiral structures in some galaxies. In the 20th century, radio telescopes were invented, such as the one in Parkes, Australia, or the Very Large Array, VLA, allowing astronomers to observe the universe in the range of radio waves. In 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope was placed in Earth's orbit, providing incredible images of cosmic objects and revolutionizing our understanding of the universe.
Currently, telescopes such as the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, or the James Webb Space Telescope continue the mission of exploring the cosmos, taking advantage of the latest technologies and allowing scientists to probe even deeper into the mysteries of the universe.
The history of the telescope is a tale of human curiosity and the desire to explore unknown regions of the universe. These advanced tools serve as gateways to ever more distant corners of space, allowing us to discover new worlds and stars, as well as to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in search of traces of life. Thanks to telescopes, we have witnessed incredible discoveries that have revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.